Hi guys, welcome back to Tweet Tweet's Kitchen, and thank you so much for visiting. First, I want to thank each and every one of you that subscribed, comment, and like to my channel. And Terrence, thank you so much for believing in me. I so appreciate you. But today I'm making my chicken noodle soup with a twist. As you can see, I have my noodles. These are what they can consider to be the Japanese style noodles. It's like 4 in a pack. It works well with any type of soup. Also, I have my seasonings. As you can see, I have my chives, my parsley, and my onions. I'm going to add a teaspoon of each. A teaspoon of the onions, a teaspoon of the chives, and a teaspoon of the parsley. I am definitely going to add all the ingredients in this chicken noodle soup when I post it. Here I have the slow cooking, that's the McCormick slow cooker noodle soup seasoning mix that I usually use also when I prepare a chicken noodle soup. I have the chicken broth. Here I have a half a teaspoon of the cayenne pepper, a teaspoon of these are celery seeds. And of course I have the seasoning mix, a half of a teaspoon of that, just to give it that kick. And this is called the Cajun season, right here if you can see, yeah, Cajun seasonings here, just to give it a little kick. And also I'm going to add my chicken broth, probably 2 cups of that. But over here guys, I have my chicken already sauteing, and I'm going to saute it a little bit more, and I'm going to go ahead and cut it all up, and I'm going to add that to the mix that I'm going to post later. So guys, thank you, as I said, for actually taking your time out to view my channel. I so appreciate you. I'll be right back. I'm going to go ahead and start preparing some of my ingredients. As you can see here, I have carrots, onions, green chives, along with celery. I'm going to go ahead and add that in there. Go ahead and butter that up some and saute it, as you can see here. And put the rest of that in there. I'm going to go ahead and add the teaspoon of, half a teaspoon of chili powder, along with the celery seeds. I'm going to add that, and the little Cajun spices. I'm going to turn this up a little. I'm cooking it kind of slow, guys. I'm going to go ahead and get this going. I'm just going to saute it all up. Again, this is a half a cup of chives, diced carrots, a half a cup, or maybe a cup, I think. And also celery is in here. I have a little bit more I haven't added because I'm going to add it when the soup begins to cook. I'm going to let that come to a little. Let me turn this up just a little here. Yeah, that's good. And it's going to caramel a little bit. Okay, I've added my chicken that I have already shredded, chopped. And I'm going to go ahead and put this in with the carrots, celery, and green chives while that's cooking slowly. I'm then going to add 1 tablespoon. This is your minced onions. I'm going to add, this is a teaspoon of chives, dry chives, and also mixed in with that is the parsley. I'm going to go ahead and add some of this, maybe a little of the buttery extract, as you can see here. And to top it off, I'm going to add the McCormick slow cooking seasoning, as you can see here. I'm going to go ahead and add that in there. I'm going to let it come to the boil. That's the whole pack I'm going to add. And I'm going to add the rest of it with the soup and noodles. As that finish. Now, I'm going to allow that to come to a heat. As you can see here. Let's go this way. I got better light that way. And I'm going to go ahead, because that has come to heat, and I'm going to go ahead and begin adding some of my chicken broth. As I said, maybe 2 cups. I'm going to go ahead, slow this down some, and we're going to let this simmer. Let me see right here. Let me get my thumbnail. I have finished my chicken noodle soup. As you can see, I had my chicken noodles here, and you can see everything from the noodles here with the chicken. Now you can use, have crackers. Some people like muffins or whatever you choose, but I have crackers, as you can see here. And guys, it tastes amazing. Look at all those juices. Look at it. I mean, there's your carrots. There's your, as you can see here, your chives, celery. It is amazing, guys. It is well seasoned. It has I even got a piece of chicken there. But anyway, thank you guys for being patient with me. Thank you for visiting. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on my next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.